Removing the rear door module. First, remove the door handle. The bolt for the door handle is located behind the cover on the door frame. Loosen the bolt and pull the guide out. You can then move the door handle and disconnect the connector. Now also remove the 2 bolts that you have just exposed. This allows you to detach the door module later. Now we return to the door module. Disconnect all of the electrical connectors along the wiring harness. When you have done this, the wiring harness hangs down loosely. You can then remove the module opening. Loosen the bolts behind it so that the window moves and can be taped in place. The next step involves the door lock with its 3 Torx bolts. As on the front door, these bolts must be removed. The door lock can then be removed from its anchoring. Now remove the bolts around the edge of the door module and guide the wiring harness through the rubber grommet. The door module can then be removed. Upon closer inspection, it is obvious why the window makes a clicking noise when it is opened. The window stop is missing. A new window stop must be installed, part number A16473000028. During installation, make sure that it is seated firmly in place. Next, check the seal. It is susceptible to damage during each removal and installation. It must therefore be especially well maintained. Coat the seal with rubber assembly fluid, part number A0009890367. The door module can then be reinstalled.